What's up, y'all? It's your boy Saint, back with another video, vlog, behind the scenes, black studio, whatever you want to call this. And today, brand new week. We started off a little rough. Honestly, I just ordered a whole bunch of supplies for this vending event that I got at the end of the month. Kind of just waiting for that stuff to come in. But besides that, last week what we did was we worked on this pleated skirt. As you guys can see right here, this was the pleated skirt that I worked on. You know what I'm saying? I do want to rework it, so this week I will be doing more designing than actually sewing. So I'm gonna rework the pattern like I told you guys before. I want to kind of get it like figured out. So I'm gonna fit it to my bodice and see how I will kind of rework the pattern so that it fits the bodice better, and then see if I can work out the kinks. But besides that, before I even do that, I'm gonna be working on two little mini projects for my parents. So first I have to work on my dad's pants. A couple videos ago, we were working on some pants. This is one of the pants right here that we were working on. All we did was hem it, but he wants it to be a little bit longer, so I'm gonna be adding an extension of fabric to the bottom of these pants. So he wants it in black. So I have this black denim right here that I'm gonna be adding to the bottom of the pants. It's just gonna be just an extension. So I'm gonna be sewing this up together right now, and I'm gonna sew it to the pants, and then I will be bleaching these behind the scenes later so that they're to his liking. But let's get on to that.
Love me to the end. You my demon freak. Yeah, my little lane. Switching to the end. You my diamond freak. Switching off the end. You my little choco. Yeah, give it choco. Yeah, I gotta put the pressure. Now you turn the dime on. Oh, yeah. You my little freak. Little baby girl. Deep in them sheets. Whoa, yeah. You my diamond friend. Love me to the end. You my little friend. Yeah, whoa. You my demon freak. Love me really not. Diamonds in the sheets.
What you guys just saw me do was pretty much make the cuffs, the extension of the hems for the bottom of the pants. So now that I have that completed, this is the one. I have the other one attached to the pants itself. So what we're gonna do is just gonna do a straight seam stitch all around the perimeter of this whole thing, and then it should be attached. It should be attached and the added extension is in. So I'm gonna do that for you guys, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like as the end result, for the end result. So let's get on to that.
Fuck what a nigga gon' say. Niggas been chatting and bitches they gay.
My song, why you gotta do this to me?
Niggas been chatting.
I ended up breaking 2 needles trying to sew this, so I got a little frustrated and I kind of just turned the camera off. I was a little mad, but they're done now. So this is what they look like with the bottoms hemmed up. It's one leg, the other leg. The denim's a little tough, so that's what caused the needle to snap on me. And yeah, unfortunately, I broke 2 needles, which is sad. It's okay. I got more needles. So I'm gonna just kind of give these to my father now and work on the next thing. But yeah, these are complete, so probably won't catch it on the full camera, but this is the pants right here. Just some dad pants that he just owns. I just added this little thing to it. Nothing crazy. So yeah, we'll get to the next stuff.
Fuck what a nigga gon' say. Niggas been chatting and bitches they gay.
My song, why you gotta do this to me?
Niggas been chatting and bitches they gay. Been that nigga since I was little kid. Been that nigga since I was little kid. Been that nigga since I was little
My
kid.
shit.
Chasing the bag, I got talent, got minutes, by counting, they say I'ma run it up. Yeah, love my girl though, she got it, I fucked up her mileage, got brain like an any duck. Say I'm depressed and I'm out it, they take on the challenge, they skid to the wheels turn. And we on this track till the wheels burn. Bloody stain on the new shirt, and she a fiend for the new merch. Copping packs for the new purse, hopping tracks for the new verse. I've been asked, the truth hurts. How many fakes make the truth worse? Too many fakes pay a new search. Seeking ways through the grapevines. Marvin Gaye, everything's fine. Pouring Chardonnay through the blurred lines, drinking through the pain, everything's fine. This is generations of the same mind. Feel my body through the blood ties. Earn my greed, kept the fade high. Cutting off the niggas from the same vines. Now I don't care if you claim mines. Weak niggas better pay ties.
Yeah, y'all, yeah. Fucking these niggas up. Yeah, y'all, yeah. And fuck what a nigga gon' say. Making my spot cause I paving the way. Talking my shit cause I did what they say. Niggas been chatting and bitches they gay.
What you guys just saw me do was pretty much drafting my pattern, reworking it so I can get it to fit to the bodice that I have. I just finished pretty much reworking the whole pattern so I can get it sized up. Now I gotta just get the fabric for the sample that I'm gonna be recreating for, and then seeing how the size fits onto the actual mannequin, and then if that works out pretty good, then this is done. I just ordered the fabric a couple days ago, so I'm waiting for that to come in. It probably will come in next week, so we'll be working on that skirt pattern next week. What I'm gonna be working on right now, I'm gonna be reworking this pair of like short, they're like, I don't know what these are called, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what these are called, but they're like it's like a half top shorts, like elongated shorts, pants, like those 90s styles, the 90s style flare out pants that they used to do, 90s, 80s, I think even 70s they did the flare pants. It's my mom's. She says she wants me to turn into a skirt, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be turning this whole thing into a dress. So I'm just gonna rip this inside seam, and then I'm just gonna sew this together and turn this into a pair, turn into a pair of denim skirt, denim dress. So I'm gonna be doing that now for you guys, and then after that, I'm not really sure what we're gonna be working on. I'm waiting for supplies to come in, so hopefully we'll get something for the rest of this week so I can start working on stuff. But yeah, let's get on to that.
I mean, what? People going crazy over this?
Here is the dress now completed. Pretty much very simple. Wasn't really much I had to do for it. Simple seam. I ended up putting a serging edge on the inside right here. As you guys can see right there, I just serged it all the way through. And these are done. On to the next stuff. Hey guys, it's been a few days and I just got some fabric back. So here is what I was working on. They're really quick, little tote bags. I've made these back in the days, so I just wanted to make a few more. Here's two. I will be continuing to make some more as we continue on, but these are just going to be for the pop-up shop or for sale online if you guys want to purchase. So I'm going to work on some other stuff as well, but I didn't really want to explain that one. I kind of just wanted to zip right through it because it doesn't take that long to make them. So let's see what else I can create. Hey guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. There's not really much left for me to do for the week, and I just got a whole bunch of supplies for some projects. So next week we're going to be working on a lot of things, but just to close everything off, I kind of want to just go through all the things that we've been making and currently have on the website for sale. So what we worked on this week was these Kuma black totes with the heart pocket. These will be on the website for $25 if you guys want to purchase. I have about two of them right here and here. I still have one Kuma face bag left, which will be on the website for $155. As you guys have seen how intense it was for me to even make this bag, price is worth it. So here we go, that's one left. I still have the RT bags on the website for sale. I have 2 right now in stock. They'll be sold for $35. So if you guys want to go shop, there's that one. Here's the Bones hoodie. You have it in, I have 4 left, mainly in large and extra large. I will be making more sizes later down the lines to get like diversity, so mediums and smalls. I sold out all my mediums and smalls, but I still have some larges, and I also have some extra larges still on the website for purchase. These will be on the website for $40. Currently, I only have 1 Herman crew neck left. It's a size medium. I will be making more, so I'll have a small, I'll have this medium, I'll have a large, and I might make an extra large. These will be on the website for $30. And then we have the skull face bucket hat that you guys have seen me make the other day, a couple weeks ago. I have 3 left, so they will be on the website for $35 for purchase. One size fits all. And last but not least, we have the devil face mask right here. I use it as a hat, as you guys see right here. You can use it full face, everything, but I prefer to wear it with a hoodie and have the horn sticking out. And these will be on the website for $15. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Like I always say at the end of the videos, I hope that these videos inspire you guys to pursue your dreams and careers, even if it's not to be a fashion designer like me. As long as you stay consistent with what you're trying to do with your life, hopefully things will work out. But you also got to just discipline yourself and make sure that you motivate yourself every day to just get up and pursue something. So if this inspires you, I hope it does. Make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys, comment in the comment section below. Make sure you also shop with me. And besides that, I hope you guys have a good day. You guys take care. And like I always say, I'm always uploading every Monday at 8 p.m. So stay tuned for more content. And yeah, y'all take care.